Good morning, everybody. I do not have a voice for radio, so I'll apologize for that right off the hop. But I just wanted to show you an electronic expense form that I've drafted, and with your input/approval, potential implementation. I'll give you a quick walkthrough on how it works, and the easiest way is to probably just do a draft. So I'll start here with me. We'll use this past convention as an example. So name is pretty self-explanatory. I'll fill that out. Down I go to position. I am the Secretary Treasurer. Over here is the submission date. I'll use today's date. And now we're on to the trip itself. So what was the purpose of the trip? I will type in APPFFA convention. And now we're moving down to the expenses. I find it easier sometimes to fill these forms out, to upload all of my expenses first, and then you can actually get the numbers on your receipts to fill the form in. Unfortunately, the program I'm using won't actually capture the video of me going to the desktop to select the files, but it's pretty self-explanatory. And if you're on your phone, it will allow you to take pictures and select photos from your file right off your phone. So you can see this part. I'm going to go to upload files, and I will go and I will get the receipts that I am going to upload for this. Like I said, I don't think the video actually captures all that happening, but you can see that they appeared down here. So these are my receipts. So I'm going to start with June 2nd. So that was Friday, so the expense date is June 2nd. The type of expense I'm going to put in for is transportation. And the amount, I can't remember what that is right off, so this is why I often upload the receipts first. I can just click on this. This is for an Uber on June 2nd. It'll open it up and I see that my payment was $10.48. So now I can go back to my form. I can type in $10.48 and there's the submission number 1 done. So now I'll add another expense. And I had another Uber for June the 2nd. So I'll select my date, June the 2nd. Transportation again. My second Uber receipt. I can open it up if I don't happen to have the number. I can see that it was $10.26. I can sneak back to my form. Type in 10.26. And I also had a hotel for June 2nd. So I will add the hotel. Same deal. It was June the 2nd. I can select the date. And this time it's going to be lodging from the drop down menu. And again, I don't remember the cost, so I can just quickly open my receipt and see that it was $584.16. So I can go back to my form, 584.16, and it tallies everything up for me. Now, within the APPFFA, there are per diems and other expenses allowable, so I might as well just do that for the sake of this demo. I'm going to add my meals and per diem for June 2nd. So we'll go back, we'll add the date is June 2nd. This time I'm going to go with meals. So I was there the full day on June 2nd, so I'll select that option. I put the values in here just for easy reference, so you don't have to search through a policy or think about it. If you're at a full day, our meals equal $65, so I can select that. I'll put $65. And I'm going to move on and add the per diem for the day. Again, June 2nd. Go down and we'll select per diem. $30 a day per diem. Type that in. $30. As you can see, it tallies everything up for you automatically. So the total for the June 2nd for my transportation, lodging, meals, and my per diem is $699.90. All of the receipts are uploaded here as an electronic file, and when everything's done, I can move down to submit, hit my button. I will get this confirmation that my form has been submitted, and I'm all done. So when you click submit, that goes to a platform that I can access where everything is tracked, and I can also open up and edit your form. So if you happen to do something incorrect that I pick up on, I can edit it live. You can set it up to provide email notifications to whoever you want, really, whenever a form is submitted. So in our case, every time you submit a form, I would get an email. You'll get this confirmation, and it kind of just streamlines the process. It puts everything in one place electronically, and it also has the ability to pull the information out and put it into an accounting software program. But that's not really your deal. That's kind of my deal at this point. But anyway, let me know what you think. Like I said, it's pretty easy to use. The mobile version is actually even friendlier. We use it in our local if we have a receipt for dinner or event or purchase of any kind. It's pretty easy. Just as soon as you get your receipt, open your phone, take a quick picture, and then you have it. So if you lose your receipt, it's not gone forever. There's a notification popping up that I have received an entry. Anyway, yeah, you take your phone, take a picture, receipts in, you're all done. Then whenever you have a chance, really the sooner the better, because we all tend to forget, you can open up the mobile version of this form, fill it out quickly, hit submit, it's all done, over, everything's recorded. Let me know if it's something you are interested in pursuing.